Maybe a couple storms that could pop up midday and early afternoon, but I think the strongest severe line will be late in the day into the evening hours. Heavy downpours, gusty winds, small hail and dangerous lightning. Be aware of that. Be ready to head inside, and then things will get better in the evening hours. 74 tonight. Straight thundershower only south and west. Humidity is on the climb. Tomorrow's a stuffy day. 90 feeling like 90 to 95 and strong to severe afternoon and evening thunderstorms. That'll leave early and then the humidity starts dropping. So for the Friday, I think we're probably in the low middle 80s. Probably these storms are north and east of New York City. There's only about a 10 or 20% chance for one would be able to sneak into the city, and it's nice and early next week. The long range for July 4th still looking good. Just a slight chance of a thunderstorm in the afternoon and evening. Have another AccuWeather update after 5:30. Guys, back to you for now.
Okay, thanks, Lane. Well, speeders, beware. Coming up on Eyewitness News, why drivers can expect to see a lot more speed cameras in school zones. Plus this. Coming up, July has some steals in store. What to buy, what not to buy, plus how to navigate Amazon Prime Day. Coming up. That is the deal. It is.
And loud and proud, the special marching band takes center stage as the celebration ride steps off to the city.
This Eyewitness News UV report is sponsored by the Molly Begain Melanoma Foundation.
Melanoma is the deadliest form of skin cancer, but if it's caught early, it can be cured. Molly's Fund is offering a free app. Regardless of skin color or age, everyone can benefit by learning about mole identification and how to stay skin cancer safe. Download this free app today.
Driving in New York City isn't easy. The Vision Zero initiative reminds you, slow down. Driving isn't easy. The flavor of life is.
And I ordered two of the same chips and two of the cookies. Because he said that they were running out when I tried to order another bag of chips. And then sorry, you can't order another bag of chips. We're running out. So half
There's a lot to smile about in every Volkswagen. Right now, you can lease a Value Pack 2019 Tiguan S4 Motion for $229 a month. Now with the People First warranty.
The best part about being a bath fitter installer is the reveal. Homeowners greet us in the morning and love that we're going to install a beautiful new tub right over their old one without tearing the bathroom apart. But they're never quite prepared for what they get come the end of the day. We call it the wow moment. When they see the new bathtub, it's high quality and more beautiful than they could have imagined, I can't help but smile. Since it's bath fitter, it's built to last a lifetime. We guarantee it.
Buy one accessory, get one free. This is a limited time offer, so call now at 877-798-BATH. There's only one way to really save money on carpet and hardwood flooring. Buy direct. Skip the middleman. That's what National Floors Direct is all about. I say tons. National Floors Direct will be the anyone's price by 15% or it's free. Call 888-400-4 for a free estimate.
I'm here with the Cortez in Boston, Carnivale, at their family reunion to show them the family of Chevy SUVs. The Trax, the Equinox, and the Traverse. Which one's your favorite?
Trax, actually.
More compact.
Equinox is jumping out at me. I wanted to be cool to act the Traverse.
I like the blue one, the red one. And I have a like Traverse. Luckily, no matter what you want in an SUV, Chevy has the perfect one for you.
You got it covered.
Current qualified competitive lessees can get this Equinox for around $179 a month. Find new roads at your local Chevy dealer.
Driving in New York City isn't easy. The Vision Zero initiative reminds you, turn slowly.
Probably in the
Driving
bag or
isn't
maybe
easy,
to them.
but saving a life is.
Somebody's going to win $100,000. Lucas, Ryan, up to Jeopardy Team Tournament Finals.
Tonight at 7, right here on ABC 7.
As we continue our coverage of this 50th anniversary of the Stonewall Uprising, among the many groups marching this Sunday, a marching band with a long history of inclusion. The Lesbian and Gay Big Apple Corps has provided an outlet for musicians who were once on the outside. Here's Eyewitness News reporter Derek Waller.
Dancing down Surf Avenue in their best surfing gear for the annual Coney Island Mermaid Parade. The Lesbian and Gay Big Apple Corps are celebrating 40 years playing loud, out, and
Grandma!
And joining the band was part of my journey. It's become probably the most important thing.
I wasn't out to my parents, but there was just something that drew me to the music. It was the music that brought these friends together 40 years ago, founding members of what back then they called
the Gay Community Marching Band. And in 1980, they made their debut in the annual New York City Pride Month. More of a protest than a parade born out of the Stonewall riot. But founding manager Jim Roman
This
said
video is
that's
sponsored
until
by
they showed
this.
up.
The reporters are there, the
Catering,
police are there, everybody takes a look and they all see that this year
Shout out to them,
gay
they sell the
event is
best
a
thing.
parade
And if
being
you order
led by
from
a
them
marching
and buy
band.
from them,
And
they
that's
got
the moment that in America there is a gay pride parade.
But it was not always a celebration.
We went through the AIDS crisis where we lost half the band. We lost family members.
And it's that struggle Marcia Stone wants younger generations to remember.
We took our lives in our hands. We could lose our jobs. We could lose our families. When we performed out in the street, people yelled at us, threw things at us.
But today, nobody's stopping them now as they prepare to march in front of millions. 150 volunteer members strong, this time for World Pride.
We are huge, we are formidable, we rehearsed well, and we sound really good.
In the West Village, I'm Derek Waller, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
This out. There was a kids' pride march this afternoon in Gramercy. Bright Horizons Daycare is holding a so-called mini gay pride parade. Some children holding rainbow flags and sitting in cribs were pushed along 12th Street. Other kids walked the route. Another example of pride on display in our city. Cute little kids. And if you're celebrating this weekend, be sure to share your pride. Can't say that enough. I want to see your photos. Hashtag your pictures. ABC7NY Pride.
Coming up, new developments in the story we have been closely following. The disappearance of a college student. The man now under arrest. What helped detectives track him down?
Also, the student charged with killing his classmate in the Bronx. Opening statements and an emotional trial.
An amazing tale of survival that involves a boy